This is fossilized wood. Fossilized wood is wood. It's not actually wood anymore, it is stone. This is a jasper replaced leaves and sticks and mud ash, so it wasn't really wood in the first place. Up from near Coromandel in New Zealand, up in the North Island, and the process is crazy. It would have been some sort of organic material, wood or leaves or whatever, that was submerged in the water. I don't even know how long ago, very, very, very long time ago. And the water would have had a high enough mineral density in it. And over time, as the wood decomposed, the minerals in the water replaced it bit by bit to create what it is now. Which is why over the world there's so many different kinds of fossilized wood that you might find. Opalized wood, and the colours are huge. There's massive from all the colours of the spectrum, depending on the minerals that are in the water. And sometimes it looks like wood when you cut it open, and sometimes it looks like a crystal. Moment of truth. What's the inside look like? Oh my god. Look at that. Blood red. Clear silica quartz stuff. Buttery golden browns. This is going to make some incredible material. That stuff there is chipped out a little bit, so I hope it's not too fragile. What a gorgeous piece of fossilized wood, fossilized material. Check that out. That is yummy. Very yummy.